guys, welcome back. I'm Ailey if you're new. Today's video is going to be a quick tutorial on this eye look that you can see me wearing right now. It is rainbow inspired, obviously. I think that's kind of easy to tell, but what a trauma I had doing, I had this cool idea to do a rainbow eye and do lots of little sort of liner details in that, and people without hooded eyes will never understand the struggle of hooded eyes. It's infuriating. You can have these amazing ideas and they just don't look right, or it won't work, or you'll have it perfect and you'll look the wrong way and it'll transfer, and it just drives me insane. Like, I've actually considered just like taping my eyes up just to do looks and stuff like that, but it's so annoying. And obviously I want to do stuff that you guys can recreate if you have eyes the same as mine, not just like fake it for the camera sort of thing. So this is how I ended up tweaking it. I don't know, I might leave in a little clip of kind of what it was looking at like before, just so you can get an idea of what I'm talking about. But if you have hooded eyes and you struggle to do like looks that you see in your head, but when you try and put it on your eyes because they're not the right shape, I feel you, you know, it's so frustrating. Anyway, I'm going to stop complaining now. This is what I ended up with, and I actually really do like it. Everybody seems to do the sort of rainbow eyes, more of an ombre. I've done that before, but I wanted to do the sort of rainbow going up and down the way. It is more of a nightmare because you've got to blend all the colours into each other, but after a little bit of work, it did work. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this look and the struggle that it was born from, then just keep watching. If you enjoy this video, I would obviously love if you give it a thumbs up for me and subscribe to my channel. I post videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so hopefully I will see you guys in the next one. Bye! Don't be afraid, won't let you fall, girl. Don't be afraid, won't let you fall, girl. Yeah.